Welcome to Great Wolf Lodge, one of our 4 indoor water park resorts here in the Poconos, where a major expansion and renovation was just announced, the largest in this property's history. Those multi-million-dollar changes are coming inside and around the resort.
Go. Keep your heads up, everybody. Jeez.
From dirt to new digs, ground is officially broken for 30 Woodland villas exclusive to Great Wolf's Pocono Resort. Each 1,500 square foot villa will feature 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a spacious living area, kitchenette, and private outdoor space with nature views, ideal for large groups looking for their own quiet oasis.
The beauty about it too is that it's multi-generational, which is what we plan for. So whether it's grandma and grandpa and siblings, etc., or even it's just friends and family, you can bring a whole bunch more people to stay here.
While villa guests will have their own exclusive check-in area, most families check in here at the Grand Lobby, which is also being expanded and revamped. A few steps away, plans for a new a la carte restaurant. And inside the water park, where it's summer year-round, the tiniest of swimmers will enjoy a new cub paw pool with frog and turtle-themed splash pads, a water spraying tree, and several kiddie slides.
Is that even a question? I literally love everything about this place.
The Great Wolf Lodge brand consists of 20 locations. The Pocono property opened in 2005, creating quite the splash as the region's first of now 4 indoor water park resorts.
Really, I credit Great Wolf Lodge with starting that trend to really bring back the Pocono Mountains, or the resurgence of the Pocono Mountains.
The resort's $100 million expansion and renovation will create hundreds of new jobs. Plus, the villa concept is expected to be a huge draw for those looking for an Airbnb-type experience. And then some.
The attraction would be it's not just the Airbnb, but you have the use of the water park. So it's special.
Great Wolf Lodge is constantly making updates and adding attractions. Within the last few years, a full refresh of all 400 guest suites.
Silly Magi!
Revamping Magi Quest, an immersive live-action game spread throughout the resort. And opening Oliver's Mining Company, leaving no stone unturned for your wolf pack.
What we've done to really enhance the experience is any area that we can, we've added additional value.
Some of those updates will come to life later this year, with the Woodland Villas expected to start welcoming guests next summer. You can book your stay at Great Wolf Lodge now, open 7 days a week. For the Pocono Television Network, I'm Brianna Strunk. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains Magazine.